This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pyon. To be built, impressive new construction. Well-designed floor plan includes 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. First floor bedroom and full bath. Gorgeous gourmet kitchen, west/granite counters and island. Large great room is open to kitchen. Located in private cul-de-sac consisting of 11 home sites, including 2 waterfront home sites. We can build for your client. Estimate completion in 90 days. Directions: from Cedar Lane, turn onto Manor Rd. Left on Cardinal Lane. Right on Thornwood St. To the end. Right on Ester Court. Photos of like home. November 15, 2024. For more information, review the details below.